Hello students, welcome to my channel. Myself Sushila Tulsiani. Today I am going to explain you chapter 2 Nutrition in Animals part 2. First let's recap the previous video that I have explained you nutrition in the human being. As you know, the process by which animals break down complex food substance in the simpler substance is called the digestion. यानी कि हम जो भी खाना खुराक फूड खाते हैं वो कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है उस फूड सब्सटेंस को सिंपलर सब्सटेंस में कन्वर्ट करने की प्रोसेस को डाइजेशन कहा जाता है. देयर आर द डिफरेंट मोड ऑफ द न्यूट्रिशन प्रोसेस इन डिफरेंट एनिमल्स. In the previous video, we have learned about the digestion in the humans, right? The human digestive systems have the sixth part, that is the mouth or the buccal cavity, food pipe or the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the anus. Let me show you the diagrams once again. First, the questions कि हम लोग खाना क्यों खाते हैं. Food gives us the energy to do the various functions. जो भी हम खाना खाते हैं वो माउथ के द्वारा हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जाता है. इस प्रोसेस को कहा जाता है इंजेशन. हमारे माउथ के अंदर 3 पार्ट्स होते हैं, दैट इज द टंग, टीथ एंड द सलाइवा. टंग जो होते हैं राइट, वो हमें उसके अंदर टेस्ट बर्ड होते हैं जो हमारे खाने को टेस्ट को रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं. टीथ होते हैं वो कट करते हैं फूड को, च्यू करते हैं एंड so that is easily transferred to the esophagus. And saliva वो खाने को moist करते हैं and also that digest some of the carbohydrates in the mouth itself. From the esophagus, the food that is the partially chewed goes to the stomach. Here in the stomach, that is the U shape. उसके अंदर 3 digestive juices mix होते हैं. From the liver, that is the bile. और बाइल कहाँ स्टोर होता है? दैट द बाइल इज स्टोर इन द गोल ब्लैडर. बाइल का काम क्या होता है? दैट डाइजेस्ट द हेल्प्स टू डाइजेस्ट द फैट्स. एंड फ्रॉम द पैंक्रियास द digestive, it releases the digestive food, pancreatic juices, and it helps to digest the carbohydrates and fats. And from the stomach, the food goes to the small intestine. Here the small intestine is the 7.5 meter long. It has the 3 parts, that is the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. As you are watching in the diagram. And the small intestine में food जो होता है, right, that is absorption and assimilation से digestion होता है. Means जो fats होता है, that is goes convert into the amino acids. Proteins का amino acids में होता है and carbohydrate का simple glucose में होता है. And from the small intestine, the that is the partially digested food goes to the large intestine. यहाँ जो भी water excess होता है वो digest हो जाता है, that is absorb हो जाता है. And from that the food goes to the from the large intestine, it goes out from the body through the anus. Right? Now let's understand about the digestions in the ruminant. Now the questions arise, what is the ruminant? Which animals are called the ruminant? Let me show you the diagram of the ruminant. Here you are watching the diagram of the ruminant. This is the cow. Cow is the grass eating animals. The digestive system is some like different from the human digestive system. Here the food that is goes from the mouth to the esophagus, and then goes to the rumen. Then from the rumen it goes to the small intestine, then to the large intestine, and from the cecum it goes, right? Ready? Now what is the rumen? Rumen is the sac-like structure that is present between the food pipe and the small intestines in the grass-eating animals like cows and the buffalo. At first, the animal do not chew their food, that is basically grass, and instead swallow it. हम लोग देखते हैं ना गाय भैंस ये सब क्या करते हैं, जो भी हम खाना होता है वो पहले जस्ट दे swallow it, उसके बाद जब शांति से वो अपने खाने को वापस माउथ में लाती है और उसको विद द सैलेवा वो च्यू साइलेंटली दैट चूज. ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्योंकि जो ग्रास ईटिंग एनिमल्स होते हैं, जो वो ग्रास खाते, उसके अंदर सेल्यूलोस होता है. वो सेल्यूलोस जो डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए बैक्टीरिया होता है वो रूमेन के अंदर प्रेजेंट होता है. यानी वो जब भी खाना खाती है तो वो पहले रूमेन के अंदर जाता है. रूमेन के साथ रूमेन के अंदर जो बैक्टीरिया होते हैं, सेल्यूलोस डाइजेस्टिव बैक्टीरिया होते हैं, वो उसके साथ मिक्स हो जाता है. फिर वो जो फूड होता है वो वापस उसके माउथ के अंदर लाती है और उसको आराम से च्यू करती है. Then only it can be digested by the ruminant. So the curd, that is the partly digested food that is present in the rumen, is called the curd, and rumination is that the curd that is returns to the mouth in this animal and then they chew it, that is called the rumination. And the animal that swallow their food at first and then chew it later on are called the ruminant. The grass-eating animal can digest cellulose while several other animals cannot. We humans cannot digest the cellulose because these animals have a different types of the bacteria that is present only in the stomach of the ruminant that helps in the digestion of the cellulose. Now let's understand about the feeding and digestions in the amoeba. Amoeba is the microscopic organism which is made up of the only one cell. The amoeba has a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and the nucleus which is round and dense, and small vacuoles which are like the bubbles, that is the presence all over it. The amoeba is the capable of changing its shape and the position on its own. मीन्स अमीबा को कोई भी फिक्स स्ट्रक्चर नहीं होता, वो अपना स्ट्रक्चर जैसे चाहे वैसे चेंज कर सकती है. It also uses the false teeth that is called the pseudopodia. Pseudopodia means false teeth. Pseudo means false. To take in the food that is present in the surroundings. Whenever it wants to intake the food, the pseudopodia or the finger-like projection come out of the body. The pseudopodia engulf the food in and the food gets stored in the food vacuoles. Then it secretes the some digestive juices inside the vacuoles that helps in the digestion of the food. The amoeba then absorbs and the digested food and uses for the fulfilling different life processes such as the multiplication and the growth. The amoeba also secretes out the waste products or the undigested food out from the body. Here I am just showing how the amoeba digests the food. Here is the structure of the amoeba, right? That is the uneven structure. It can change its the structure. There is a cytoplasm, nucleus. When the food particles that come nearby the amoeba, that it's with the pseudopodia, means the false teeth, it ingests it, then it engulfs it, means it digests it and absorb it, and then it admits with the due to the digestive juice that absorb it and then assimilate it, and the waste product that is the ejected by the amoeba. So this is how the digestion that is in the amoeba. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.